stop this, it could destroy all existence.
You have your orders. Now get out of there.
I'm gonna do what we should have done from the very start. I'm going to the 7th.
You took an oath. You're betraying everything we stood for you.
I'm gonna need that. Over here. Gotcha.
Do not become the 7th. Jones! Jones!
Unbelievable. It actually worked. Look, I know you have no reason to trust me, but... Oh, no. Hang on! Let's talk! Let's talk! Geno! I can get you to Geno.
And the sisters?
I can get you all of them. But I need your help to fix that.
You have a deal. For now.
Oh, that's very reassuring.
Time to get to work. That's our ticket home. Do not make me regret this. And get that looper ready. We don't have much time.
Looper? You again? Never mind. Look sharp. We're saving reality.
What did you do to the 0 point?
It wasn't me. There was an incident.
With this level of entanglement, I don't know if I can fix it.
Well, we're not giving up.
Who said anything about giving up? Stand by. Once the 0 point starts to bloom, there's no going back.
We've got portals! Not good!
Those aren't portals. Reality is breaking down.
So, we should close them?
What do you think?
Yep, gotcha. We're on it. Yes, got it.
Instability will only get worse from here. Watch out for reality waves.
Copy. We'll keep watch. Reality waves can change anything in a blink. I'm a butterfly.
That was a big one. Everything all right down there?
I'm a butterfly now, so... No! I guess you're up. I'm gonna need you to be my eyes and ears, and arms, and legs. You're gonna have to close those portals. Can you handle it? Haha, of course you can. Let's go. this is good. But it is beautiful.
Good work. But I'm gonna need more time. Keep going.
Copy that! I see 3 more portals, but that next one is really far. I wish we could. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I can teleport? Get down! We're gonna need to find a way past the hunters. Actually, never mind. You look amazing! I spent my whole life studying Zero Point. And this is the first time I
We need to move faster. I can't keep this up forever.
Hang on! I'm getting us to that 3rd portal. So the wolves are new, right? Whoa! Alternate realities are breaking through. We gotta keep moving. Head back to the portals. Oh, oh, oh! Reality wave! Sneaky with us, sneaky with us, sneaky with us. I feel like reality just doesn't like me. Because look, it suits you. How are we looking up there?
It's too much. You have to keep going.
We've only got 1 left. Hold on. We got company. Could use one of those reality waves right about now. Well done. That's the last one! I think we got it! Whoa. That's intense. Okay, this next step is critical. Everything okay up there?
It's not enough. I can't stop it. But I might be able to contain the blast.
You must be sealing yourself in. You don't have to do this! You're not leaving until this is done. He needs our help. Come on!
Another chance. You need to seal off the 0 point and overload the device.
Overload the device! I'll be trapped in the loop!
We'll both have to find our way back. No matter what happens, do not give up. I will find you, and you will tell me everything.
You have my word!